Ciao YouTube, I'm the Kaz and this is the Kaz Does, the unconventional DIY YouTube channel. This is video part 2 of the building of my ultimate cutting station. So let's get into it. As I said, this is video part 2 of my mini-series about the cutting station, which will hold a bandsaw and a miter saw that I'm building for my workshop. If you missed video part 1, you can go check her out up here. So I hope you enjoyed the video and we will see you after.
I've got a feeling that I cannot explain. You want something different, but I don't want to change. Slowly but surely, you began to fade. Things were finally changing, and I was not afraid. Now that you're gone, it's like I don't have to pretend. Yeah, it's time to move on. We've reached the bittersweet end. I've got a feeling that I cannot explain. You want something different, but I don't want to change. Slowly but surely, you began to fade. Things were finally changing, and I was not afraid. It's like I don't have to pretend. Yeah, it's time to move on. We've reached the bittersweet end. independent in our ways, but the fears won't fade from imaginary fears. We had to let it go to understand, to know that the freedom's lost with fear. Just like a hologram, you watch me where I stand. Our history won't let the time go by. I'm gonna live tonight. I'm here to see the lights, and I'm tuning in, always looking back. You're the one I can't forget. Are there answers to a longing we could never take? If I could lose this feeling, can we ever be the same? Now the pain was much too strong, and I had to move along. Knew I couldn't heal with tears, and I couldn't let it go. I was afraid to show that the freedom's lost with fear. Just like a hologram, you watch me where I stand. Our history won't let the time go by. I'm gonna live tonight. I'm here to see the lights, and I'm tuning in, always.
Now, as usual, for the hashtag, what you suggest. Let me know in the section comment below any upgrades, and I will be happy about any suggestion that you will make. And remember to give a thumbs up if you like the video, and to subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned for further uploads. For today, that's all. Ciao from the Cars.